What's your favorite thing about summertime?
Sleeping in.
Sleep. That's like one of my favorite things too. Sleeping in. So here's what you're gonna do. Come on.
What do I love about summertime? What do I love about summertime?
Very good.
Sleeping in. Sleeping in. Sleeping in. Sleeping in.
Sounds like leaping in, but good enough. All right, so let's give her a hand.
Going to the pool. Going to the beach.
Here's how this works. We have a line going down the middle, right? Everybody on this side of the line and this side of the line, you're gonna say different things when I point to your side. 3, make some noise. Make some noise. Y'all love summertime, make some noise. One more time, if y'all love summertime, make some noise. You guys are really good. Are you guys ready to start this final song? All right, let's do this.
What do I love about summertime? Sleeping in. What do I love about summertime? Going to the pool. What do I love about summertime? Going to the beach.
If y'all love summertime, make some noise.
What do I love about summertime? Sleeping in. What do I love about summertime? Going to the pool. What do I love about summertime? Going to the beach.
If y'all love summertime, make some noise. You guys remember this? Good. We're gonna take this out. If y'all love summertime, make some noise. One more. Thank you guys very much for participating in that. You guys sound awesome. You guys seem like you're ready for summer. Hold on one second before you guys go. Congratulations once again. Make some noise for the 8th graders who are going to be graduating soon. All right? And check this out. One more thing before you guys leave. Who here thought that this was a creative activity? Raise your hand, right? Who here also thought, because it was creative, right? We made stuff. Who also thought that this involved science? It does. Who else thought that this involves performance and practice? Okay, right? Who thought that this was easy to do right away? One over there, okay? So check this out. What I want you guys to know is if you guys remain creative in everything that you do, not just music, obviously music, not just art, but also science, math, writing. You can be creative, and if you're creative, you can literally do anything. Thank you guys very much. Have a good day.